Exciting, yeah? That's my exciting experience. How will you take it? You all are all very nice. We have to take a selfie. How will we take? How will we selfie?
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ചേട്ടാ, ഒരു കയറിക്കോട്ടെ. റെഡി റെഡി മാം മാം താങ്ക് യു. ഓക്കെ
Thank you. But we have to take ourselves. Yeah. Can you take for us, please? Thank you.
പറയാം കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഒരു വഴി ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
Okay.
ഓക്കെ നാ ഓക്കെ. ഒരു കാര്യം ചേട്ടാ ശരി, ഈ കൈ ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യോ മാം, ഈ കൈ ഡൗൺ ചെയ്യോ, ആ ഒരു കൈ മതി. കൈ ഒരു കൈ വിട്ടോളൂ.
How will I do?
Sorry.
Now it just happened. Successful.
നീ ഇറങ്ങിയോ? ഇറങ്ങാൻ വഴിയില്ല, നീ റെഡി ആയിരിക്കും.
Thank you all. Thank you to the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala for giving me this award. All my actors got already an award from him, so I was feeling a bit left out. So today I'm happy to get that. Thank you very much, Honorable Cultural Minister. Thank you to the Chairman of the Chalachitra Academy and other dignitaries on the dais. And most importantly, to all of you who came to watch our movies at this festival. I think we let the feminist Fatima team settle. They are in a good mood. Congratulations. Let's give them another round of applause. Woo! I will keep my speech short because the mood is different. I made a film in Malayalam. It was a crazy idea. But I got a lot of support from here, from everybody in this state.
Group picture, Martin. All of you, by the dignitaries on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, all the jury members together on the stage of the closing ceremony of the 29th IFFK. As it was mentioned here before, on the stage to receive the award. And now we will be
Look here.
Now to present and open up our appreciation to the next time jury, I invite our District Panchayat President Advocate G. Suresh Kumar, and I'd like to bring on stage Ms. Deepa Gahlot. Ladies and gentlemen, all the awards and accolades that we just gave away, they were zeroed in by the effort of this stellar trainers. joining us on stage. And now I'd like to bring on stage our Trip Prestige jury, starting with Ms. Martina Bakova, Rosanna